We recently showcased our compact scrubber dryer machine SD450EA at one of Calcutta's busiest mall, and the demo was a huge success. Our team provided an interactive training session that allowed the cleaning staff to get hands-on experience with the machine. Our standout feature was dual brush system with 360-degree rotation, making it easy to clean hard to reach areas like under the wash basin and edges of the floor where traditional scrubber dryer struggles. It was an empowering experience, equipping the team to create a clean and more vibrant space. If you want to clean right and shine bright, contact us in the given number below. Thank you.